fried fish with coriander and spinach batter, green onion and garlic potato with polenta in thyme.
So many elements.
Sorry, I'm just so nervous.
It's all right.
It's
It's
okay,
all
but
right.
there are lots of elements, lots of things that you've done.
Yes, oh yes, and I forgot. With the chutney, it's going to give you a bit of a kick, but it's a mango chutney, just to give you a little bit of a tangy, a hot kick.
I like how she said that. Tangy, hot kick,
Yeah. Really makes it work. That's what you should do with the customers.
The polenta is on the side.
Yeah, with thyme.
Brilliant, brilliant construct. The idea is nice. If I were you, I'd put a little more polenta, a little more potatoes, and just season it up a little bit. What do you think, Anahita?
I was thinking maybe the portion size could be a little bit more.
Yeah?
Yes.
Because it just feels like it's on one side of the plate and the rest feels empty.
Yes.
Construct it in the middle, build on it, put the beetroot on top, make it colorful. Let the people come and see that color.
Sure.
Yeah?
Yeah?
Sure.
Great.
Thank you.
Good luck.
Thank you, good luck, and sell lots of plates.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
All right.
Yes, hi.
That looks good.
Hello. Lovely colors, tropical colors. You've got green, you've got yellow. I love the look.
And I like the addition of the mango. Right? Yeah. I always believe fish and fruits go very well.
yeah.
So I'm excited for the mango salsa.
Hi. Hi. All right, we can...
You know
Yeah.
what? You're in the middle of a lot of business. What I like
yeah.
about the dish is the fact that you cook the quinoa in fish stock. I like that. It's beautiful. You might want to add a little bit more salsa,
Okay.
but the combination is nice. Go for it. Guys, you're going to enjoy it.
You're gonna love it. Have fun.
Thank you so much, sir.
Yeah?
Thanks.
So the judges walked up to the truck, fingers crossed, nervous about what they were going to say.
This looks gourmet, huh?
Looks pretty. It looks very pretty.
Let's see how it tastes.
Is it okay?
It's okay. It's okay. You're doing fine.
Just plate and get your
Team to sell it.
Okay.
All right, Anisha? The dish for me is you.
It speaks that you come from this beautiful place, Shillong.
Yes.
I'm really sweating bullets here.
No, you're doing fine. Now just focus and sell and smile. Remember, happy people make
Good money, good dishes.
happy people make happy food. Money comes. Don't worry about it. I like that though. Happy people make good money.
Hi, chef.
How's it going?
Good.
We still won.
Yes. Oh my God, it looks beautiful.
I like the potatoes and the onions with
Yeah.
it, huh?
Very rustic.
Goujon. Poisson goujon.
Bouchon, bouchon.
Poisson goujon.
I think I can hear the crust.
Yeah.
It's nice and crispy.
You know, we know you're up for business. We won't waste a lot of time. The potatoes need slight seasoning. Maybe a little bit of black pepper and salt will help. Just a little bit.
They actually liked it, but again, my salt was less.
I think, other than that, it works
It's
as a
coming
dish.
together. It's coming together. That's the good part. Now all you got to do is smile and sell.
Have fun, have fun.
Thank you so much.
So I had everything ready. I had my couscous going. Everything was perfectly done. Hello. Hello. Hi. Service started and my plates went flying out. One-third of the decision was on the audience or on the people who are going to come on the truck and consume our food. So that was also very important. We were given these magnets that counted as votes for our truck. Please vote for us. Please vote for us. Thank you so much. There we go.
Yes, I like it. It's very delicious and very tasty. Very good, very good.
The fish is delightful. It's really, really good.
All the people that came to our truck were so excited and so happy. They loved what I had cooked. And that was such a great feeling when somebody compliments you and appreciates what you've cooked. You like it? Please vote for me. Please. Vote for me. I want to win.
You know what? This is cool. These girls would not have imagined that on a second day they would have such a huge crowd and the people are enjoying it. It's amazing. Hello. You like that?
Yeah, very nice.
Oh, lovely.
Lovely. I see you have a 2 thumbs up for it. Yeah. For me, there's no better gratification than people tasting your food and saying it is great. I think that is the best validation.
It's just a moment for them to, feel proud of themselves, of their cooking. And they're all coming and judging and putting these magnets on what truck they like.
Close, little bit like close to sushi.
It's nice. For a beach, excellent. Team blue.
After my 5th portion, I started to even make smaller portions, cut the fishes into 2, to start serving as many people as I can.
Oh, thanks. Enjoy. One spoon.
We're sold out. Thank you. The most satisfying part of it was to go out and write sold out. That was our moment of, happiness, that we fed so many people, amateur chefs, put on a truck in a public space, and we have nailed it.
I've done okay, but I'm really nervous. I'm just waiting for the results to come out.
It was just an amazing experience. It was like a dream come true. I just hope I can go further to prove myself and my dishes even more.
I'm hoping the judges liked it because I've got positive feedback, but I'm looking forward to what happens next.